We are delighted to share with you arguably the most beautiful watch ever produced by Oris. Along with the release of this watch came the announcement of Oris's continued partnership with the Coral Restorations Foundation, the world's leading coral restoration organisation. As part of their campaign, Oris will donate 3 of the 50 watches produced to an auction raising funds for the foundation. 98% of coral has disappeared since the 1950s and 60s, when the reefs were at their height of recreational diving. Coral is a key part of an essential ecosystem to the planet as it provides 70% of the world's oxygen, although it only actually covers 1% of the Earth's surface, which is pretty incredible, right? It also protects the shorelines and supports fisheries as 25% of the marine species call it home. A watch made from 18-karat gold and limited to just 50 numbered pieces worldwide, this timepiece will become an integral part of Oris's history and a superb purchase for the sophisticated watch fan. And here at Peter Jackson the Jeweller, we have number 37 of these 50. Oris have built an amazing reputation for their divers' watches, with the Aquis regularly being coveted for its handsome looks and superb quality build for a great price. This edition is the first time an Aquis has been produced in solid 18-karat gold, but don't be misguided. Oris has retained all the divers' key features whilst using the precious metal. You can still expect the watch to be water resistant to 300 metres, feature a rotating bezel with ceramic insert, screw-in crown and crown protectors. The back of the watch showcases a specially etched emblem to represent the foundation and their work, and the caseback will also feature the watch's individual limited edition number. The other showpiece of this watch is the stunningly rich blue dial, a depiction of the body of water. The hands of the watch are also gold to continue the blue and gold theme throughout. Inside the case is Oris's 798 base SW330-1 GMT automatic movement that has an extra hand to time an additional 24 hours. The watch has an added luxury feel with its navy leather strap that has a rubber coating for added protection. Presented in a unique wooden display case, this watch also comes with a 3-year international warranty. For more info on this limited release, please check out the link in the description below and hit that like button. And why not subscribe to our YouTube channel for all of our latest content. Thank you very much for watching.